I'm going to rant about something I hate with a passion. No, it's not my ex-wife. She's dead. Anyways, I hate helicopters. Oh, they're disgusting. They move weirdly, unlike a plane. A plane moves forward, side, you know, like any other good person. And helicopters, they, I think, barrel roll or some crap like that, if you know what I mean. You get the gist. They're not cool. They're probably pedophiles. Planes are superior. You know the helicopters and when they're like getting forest fires? Well, they can, have like buckets attached to them. That's and fill it up. Like, that's cool and all, but like planes can do that so much faster. They can just zoom by and do that. And frankly, get the forest fire all done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So why do we need helicopters? They're useless and stupid, and they probably eat babies. I'm going to say it. They probably eat babies. Watch out, guys.